My name's Lisa, and this is my husband, Chris, and we met about 7 years ago. We decided about 6 months after we got married, it was time to make a family, and we actually got pregnant really quick. We got pregnant the first month we tried. So we went to our first 8-week ultrasound, and we went back to our doctor's office, and they told us that we would be having a miscarriage and that I had some kind of uterine abnormality. And that's when we got referred to Vios, to Dr. Cooper.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amber Cooper. I'm a board-certified reproductive endocrinologist and infertility specialist. I'm the medical and IVF practice director at Vios St. Louis. When I think about Lisa and Chris, I think about the first time I met them. They exude warmth. I don't know how else to say that, but to say that you can feel the love and you can feel their desire to be parents.
Meeting Dr. Cooper is like meeting a ray of sunshine. It was just really comfortable. We sat on a couch and I cried because my emotions were 10 feet tall. And she made me feel super comfortable about that. She really got to know me and know Chris and know our story and what was important to us. And she just dug into everything, and it was amazing.
When Lisa and Chris first came to me, we were in the midst of evaluating what we call a uterine anomaly. She had a very complicated large uterine septum that required surgical repair. She went on to do further therapy, and that further therapy resulted in their beautiful daughter, Nora.
Luckily, we got pregnant shortly after that surgery and had a healthy, beautiful baby girl. Her name's Nora. And now she is 3 years old, and she is my little best friend, and I can't get enough of it. She is always ready to go for walks, cuddle on the couch. She is just amazing, and hearing them tell you that they love you, and especially when they get to an age where they can say it independently and not just repeat it back to you, is the best feeling in the entire world that you'll ever have.
I mean, that's not where the story ended. So she came back ready for baby number 2, and it ended up being a little more complicated. And they went on to suffer more losses. And it was hard on them. And being able to stand by them through that process, through the highs and the lows, and watching them get through it themselves is probably what, brought me very close to them.
The way that Dr. Cooper puts on her thinking cap whenever, you're coming up with a new plan or you're changing course, she really takes what we want and what's important to us and incorporates that into our plan. And it's like having your own cheerleader that's 100% there for you. And at that point in time, we made the decision to move forward with IVF. So we did a cycle of IVF with genetic testing and then a frozen transfer, and it was successful, and we are currently 14 weeks pregnant. Don't be afraid to come and ask for help and talk to them, because there's no better group than Vios that you're gonna find. So ask them for help.